babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video. So today I'm featuring Double Dip. Shout out to Double Dip for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into these nails. So today I have their Luxe Gel Tip Kit. I have their Nail Dip Starter Kit, which included 6 colors. I have the Kayla Lovey, Rosy Walnut, Cotton Candy, which I have to say is my favorite, their Sonata Rose, Pink Punch, and the color Wanderlust. This is actually my first time working with dip powder nails, and this kit made it so easy. You get all the items that you need to complete your nail set. These here are your liquid essentials. So here I'm just going to prep the nails, and then we will be back to get into the rest. So I actually purchased these full cover nail tips from Amazon because the nail tips that didn't come in the set were a little short. For those of you that know, I like super long nails, super extra nails. So I purchased these off Amazon. So if anyone is interested, I will link those down below. They are pre-shaped, pre-filed. I did not cut these down. I left them as is. So I just used the base to adhere the nails, and I put it under the lamp for like not even 60 seconds. So that is how I adhere these tips. And what I have to say is about these, this is like the least damaging to your natural nail bed, and it's really easy to take off at the end. So I love it. Just a disclaimer, I originally had this idea I was going to do like this winter wonderland look with the nails. So I wanted to use the cotton candy color, and I also wanted to use the Wanderlust, but that didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so we ended up like not really going through with that design. But nonetheless, I'm going to show you what that looked like. So here you just use the dip base, which is step number 2. That's going to be like your primer. That's what helps the powder stick to the nail. So you're going to repeat that step maybe 2 to 3 times. I did 3. So here is where I thought I could include these chunky glitters. So because I'm used to doing acrylic nails, like I was thinking, let's just encapsulate the glitter, but that did not work for this. If anyone has any suggestions on how to do dip powder nails with a chunky glitter, feel free to drop those comments down below, because I don't know, it looks so good right here, but once I tried to cover it with the powder, it got super cloudy. And then for like the finished look, you didn't really see the glitters through the powder. So yeah. And also this powder that I used for the thumb was not a part of the collection that was sent to me. This was a powder that I had. This is a regular acrylic powder that I had on hand. So I don't know if that had something to do with it, but see, I just had this vision that it was going to be sparkly and pretty, and then it just came out super cloudy, and yeah. on to the activator. The activator is what is going to harden the nails, and I let it sit for a while in between each coat just to ensure that it was fully hardened so that I could file and shape. Overall, I really love this kit. I think that I will be doing a lot of the dip powder nails going forward, just because you don't have to deal with the smell of the monomer. It's like very time efficient, cost effective. Like, I absolutely love it. So shout out to Double Dip Nail for sending over their products for me to share with you guys. I will have my discount code down below in case you guys wanted to check this out. I will also have the nail tips, the full cover nail tips that I used, down below in the description box. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions, drop that down below as well. I will see you in the next video.